I'm not even looking at him.
I've got to try not to scream on this one.
Why can't we see anything?
Everything's pitch black.
I'm not
It's not
looking.
supposed to happen like this.
I'm not looking.
No, nothing's working.
Shush. Look now. Are you looking? Are you looking now?
A little bit.
Do you reckon it's just broke? Huh? Do you reckon it's broke?
No, I don't know.
But last time you could see.
I know. This is the creepy lady.
Yeah, but I can't see anything though.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Can you find me?
Tell me what bit we're on now.
That creepy face thing.
What's that bit? The hot bit.
Yeah.
Why was it all just dark back there? I didn't like that. I don't mind this, I don't like the dark.
No,
What's
the
in
dark
there?
bit.
What's in
I
that
can't remember.
Look and tell me.
Oh, it's that, Jason. Is it Jason?
I didn't think the whole thing was pitch black.
Hey, don't
What's
you
that?
run away. Please stay. Stay with me.
It's not even funny. It's just pitch black.
Why
the
is
whole
it-
way.
Honestly, it wasn't that black before. I think some of the lights weren't working. Oh, this is The Exorcist now.
Alright. Oh my
Oh god. If it stops in there.
But it didn't stop last time. I think last time it was one of you out. Can they see us outside? Where's the bit where it touches your face? The spidery
This
bit.
bit.
Okay. Bit's hanging down, yeah?
Oh, it's not any. Oh yeah,
Oh
that.
yeah. Lovely. What's in there? Just the Beetlejuice one.
Yeah.
Beetlejuice.